Baby girl, what's up? You're home early. What's happening?
Early, 6 p.m. Really? I didn't lie. Sister, is this not the earliest you've been home? Eh? Oh yeah, Ifuri. Let's go out. You know I'm working. Ifuri, come, let us go on dates, Kwan. Mba.
Maybe only go on dates. Please, what did you bring, Abeg?
I got food. You know this guy now? That one I told you I got his number.
You've given a dozen people your number.
He never reached dozen. No, they add on top waiting I never tell you. You never reach dozen. If you reach dozen, I no go tell you. You go no. We no go dey enter kitchen. You go just dey see meal tickets. Right, left, and center.
Ada, when are you going to stop going out with these poor guys and wasting their money?
Babe, I beg no. I beg. I just enter. I'm hungry. Let me eat first. I'm very hungry. I don't have time for your love sermons. Wait now, may I take the one where I buy for myself?
I'm looking for spoon.
Spoon? Wetin you do spoon? Wetin you lost wey you dey find? No be you dey advise me now. Were you not the one telling me not to bring food home?
I didn't say you shouldn't bring food home. I said stop going out with guys that you don't like that.
You have to advise me, at least do it with your full chest. Take.
Dear Heavenly Father, we give you all the glory, all the praise and adoration. Thank you for your tender mercies and your loving kindness. Thank you for family. Thank you for protection, provision, and promotion. Amen.
Amen.
Oh my God. You scared me now. Do you want to kill me?
Kill you? Why are you being dramatic? I'm only helping you get your prayers faster to Baba God. You know what they say, two is better than one.
What do you want?
Anyway, I brought gist.
Eh? Very funny. See, if my village people sent you, tell them you didn't find me. I'm preparing for work tomorrow. You want to gist with me? I go.
Ifure, why are you like this? Why? Why do I have a flatmate if I cannot gist with her? Tell me, what's the point?
The point is she's here to put some order into your life.
So. Anyway, a friend of mine likes you.
A friend of yours?
Yes. And he's very, very, very rich.
All right now, how long have we been flatmates?
Too long.
Fair enough. What is it that you know about my time, the policy about my time?
You don't waste it. But this is not a waste of time, babe. This guy is loaded.
Ada,
let me ring it again.
Ada, the little shred of strength I have right now is to get ready for work tomorrow and make sure that I make the promotional list. You see this, your games with men, count me out.
Okay. But
have a good night, sweetheart.
You know, sir, now why you go die single with this? You know, now why you no get boyfriend with this? How you go get boyfriend?
Have you looked in the mirror to know who else is single?
Who else is?
Exactly. Good night.
Don't be your fault.
I better go.
Don't be your fault.
You were really thinking.
You get me, sir. Don't be your fault. No problem.
Jesus! Are you fucking blind? Can you imagine?
I was not looking towards that. I'm so sorry, okay?
Exactly, you weren't looking, because if you were, this wouldn't be happening.
I said I'm sorry.
And what the fuck are you yelling at? What kind of arrogance is this? Does that change anything?
You know what? I'm sorry about what just happened, but I'm running late for a meeting. I have to go now.
Well,
okay?
guess who's running late for a meeting as well? Me.
Oh, good. I mean, I could drop you off if you're going to my direction.
Please just get out, I beg. They've told you to come and renew your ritual, so you want to use me. Oga, please get lost.
You know you're a very rude girl.
And you're a very disrespectful, not so young man.
Better come and join me
Please
if you want to go.
get lost, I beg. Hello? Oh, I'll be there in 30 minutes. Oga, wait!
You know you're very rude, right?
Says Mr. Arrogance himself.
Says Mr. Arrogant himself.
And you're childish too. Amazing. How long is this list?
You cannot be in my car and be talking to me anyhow.
Well, maybe if you had driven with sense and not like a madman, we would not have met. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get down.
What?
Water, get down from my car.
You're going to have to drag me out so that the next time you're driving, drive like someone that has brain, or you watch where you're going.
I'm just very lucky that I'm in a hurry today.
Or what? You'd have beaten me up.
Oh, I will never lay my hands on any woman.
Congratulations.
But I watched you move with handcuffs on your hands when the police take you.
Please shut up, please. Shut up. You just sound childish and silly. Shut up. You make more sense when you're quiet.
Before what happened?
Hi.
You don't look good. Are you okay?
I encountered one demonic man today.
Demon, okay, what happened?
Look, I don't want to talk about him. I've already had a bad day. Don't need negativity in my life again.
Sorry. Oh, I can't chop fruits now. You forget
You know
yourself.
this guy made me receive query at work today.
This guy again. You just said you don't want to talk about him.
Not be your fault now. I'm the one that's trying to open up to my best friend. And then you have the audacity to tell me that I said I don't want to talk about somebody. When I told you that I had a bad day, she knew that I told you that I don't want to talk about somebody. I did, and I started talking about you. Did I not know that I didn't say I wanted...
I was just, since I just collect now because I... No vex, so. I will fuck up.
Ifure. Ifure.
Also,
Are you not late for work already?
I can't find my ID card.
Your ID card?
Yes.
But it's always in your bag. Or around your neck, but mostly in your bag.
Exactly, and it's not there now, and I have, oh God, I have appraisals tomorrow. Which kind of will I be this now?
If you calm down, just you go to work, eh? I'm sure it's in this room. You're not a careless person. You'll find it when you get back.
And I need it to enter the gate. Plus, God, I might be late for work and need to bring another query.
Calm down. Go to work. It's your same gate man now, Abi. He will let you in. He knows your face. I'll help you check the entire house.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Which kind of day will be this one this early morning? But I
If you ready, go home.
Sorry.
I'll go find her.
Oh my God, I'm so tired. Sheesh. I don't think I need any more stress. Like,
Boy. Hello, who's this?
Why you always sound angry?
Who the hell is this?
And always rude too. You see, your parents should have just named you Rudy. If it is such a sweet name for...
How did you get my number and who told you my name?
One question at a time.
Wait, did you steal my ID card?
And why would I do that?
To do what you're currently doing?
Which is...
Annoy me effortlessly and irritate the shit out of me?
I found it on the floor in my car. Scenario A, in your tantrum. It slipped off your handbag or whatever. But then, it could be a scenario B.
Which is?
You couldn't resist my charming aura and you decided to bait me.
Look, I don't have time for child's play, okay? Just drop my card in the nearest park and I'll pick it up, okay? Thank you very much.
Come and get it in person.
Excuse me?
You heard me. It's either that or just kiss it goodbye. I wasn't the one who said you should be careless.
Please.
You know what? Just call me up when you're ready.
Hello? Are you kidding me? You have no form of respect whatsoever for people's time now, do you?
Ever heard of Lagos traffic?
Well, I came through that same traffic and I'm not a witch, so...
I mean, who knows?
May I please have my ID card and we never have to see each other or interact again for the rest of our lives? I mean, Lagos is so big, so that works.
Actually, Lagos is very small. As a matter of fact...
Are you always this annoying?
Maybe I'm just very good at returning energy. Or I'm beginning to enjoy annoying you.
Hello? Yeah, I'll be on my way shortly. Hopefully. Yeah, I'll explain to you when I get home.
Classical music, really. I see our interests are worlds apart.
Sir, I'm not in the mood for you today. Neither will I be any other day. So please, give me my ID card before I create a scene.
Is that a threat?
Dear Lord, please give me strength. Can I please...
No, it's okay. It's okay. I will give it to you. But not so fast. We're already here, so we can just grab a drink.
Why would I want to do that with you?
Oh, come on. Come on. I mean no harm, all right? Like you said, we're not going to run into each other anymore. So let's just a drink.
I can't believe I'm about to do this. All right, fine. Just one drink.
Yes, Rudy. Just one.
What did you call me? You know what?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
Don't
so
touch
sorry.
me, please. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. You're too fine and young to be this grumpy. How? Why?
First of all, classical music is still very relevant in our society today. You just have very bad taste in music. And other stuff too, apparently.
I don't think so. I just really think that you guys are just so stuck in the past. I mean, there are so many great things to discover in the moment. So why, you know.
Whatever, man. I have to get going for my housemate's cost of my head.
How? You, as fast as you are. It's not possible.
I'm a very sweet soul, just so you know.
I doubt it. I mean, your mouth is all it.
You baptized me with dirty water. What did you expect?
I'm sorry, my bad. I'm sorry.
Anyways, thank you very much.
Hey, don't mention, I mean, I'm doing a lot's work.
Oh my God, please, you're not serious at all.
Truce?
Truce. Thanks for the drink.
You're welcome, darling.
Even though I'm trying to stay off sugar.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Let me walk you to your car.
Oh, how kind.
So what you're telling me is that this, your ID card, has been chilling in his car, that Bobo's car, for 2 whole days.
Ada, it's not exactly 2 whole days.
The card is back, that's all that matters.
Ifure, I haven't heard you throw any insult his way since you came back. What's up?
First of all, I'm very tired,
Second of all, I don't need any kind of negativity in my life anymore. Third of all, I'm a Christian. We forgive and forget.
Hey. Baby girl, I know you too well. You forget that I know you. Something is up, but guess what? I love it. I love it for you. Energy.
I don't know what you're talking about, okay?
Okay.
I lost my card. I went to get it. I'm back home. End of story.
So what you're trying to tell me is that you and this Bobo will never contact each other again?
Never. Not in this life or the next. Hopefully.
Why? Something do you?
My notion about men still stands. Because this one is very annoying.
Wait. Is that a smile I see? Hey, you are smiling. You like him. Yes. You really like him. Hey. And you're using big grammar for... I'm proud of you. E for energy. Love it.
Not only is classical music still relevant, rom-com is unbeatable.
Rom-com?
Absolutely.
I hope there's romantic spotted people. Kenny.
Huh?
My name is Kenny. It's weird I know your name and you don't know mine.
I'm sorry, you don't strike me as a Kenny. I'm sorry.
What do I strike you as?
A Dominic, one of those cocky people. Hello.
Hello, Rudy.
It's Ifere.
Oh, don't mind me. Did you make it home in one piece?
Does it sound like I didn't make it home in one piece?
Oh, come on. All right, I'll need to see you tomorrow to confirm.
You know I can't.
Oh, I'm just joking.
Can I?
Or not.
Listen, I don't have time for man problems right now. Plus, I have a big day tomorrow, so I have to go to bed early.
Oh, the appraisal?
You remember?
Huge thanks to my photographic memory.
Forever arrogant.
I mean, that's definitely better than calling me childish.
And childish, too.
So let me take you out tomorrow to celebrate if you don't mind.
And if I don't pass?
Then you would definitely need a shoulder to cry on, don't you think?
Smart ass. Look.
See you tomorrow. And one more thing. You're not dealing with man problem. It's not like I'm exactly asking you to be my girlfriend. Good night. Bye.
Listen. Hello? Hello? So childish and so arrogant and cunning.
Hello. Madam Melly Slipper, you're not running off to bed today.
Well, forgive me for trying to spend some time with my flatmates.
Look who's been a good Christian.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, just me.
About?
What do you mean about? You know what?
No.
I think you should just call him up for a drink.
Well, he called me anyways.
See. I knew it. Oh, yeah, just me. Give me the details.
There's nothing. No deeds. Nothing. There's nothing to just. All right, fine. He asked. He asked if I got home safe, and then he asked me out to dinner.
I knew it. I just knew it. I knew there was something. So what are you going to wear? What time are you going?
Who
So I can
says
stop by
I'm
the shop.
going?
When you are not sick, why won't you go? You've not been out with any guy in months. What's wrong with you?
Look, I don't need a page from your How to Play a Guy handbook. Look at you. I mean, you work fairly hard. You make your own money, but you still rely on all these guys to buy you stuff and feed and, you know, I mean, what's the essence of even dating all these guys if you don't want something serious from it?
Sister, in case you haven't noticed, right? Things are more fun when you're not the one paying for it. I'm serious. Just go out, be happy, have fun, eat good food, and then once in a while, just Lubricate your machine when you need it to be lubricated. That is all what men are worth. Finish. Nothing else.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much for the non-solicited advice.
You're welcome. So what are you going to wear?
I don't know.
Should I get you something?
No, if I'm going to go from work anyway, so there's no need.
And you sabi. Anyway, shall I bring back food though?
Excuse me? A to-go box in my cup? Nah, stop. I'm going to bed.
Assistant foul, now your way now. You go sleep on top water, they go carry you, you still no go wake up.
Please, you keep saying this thing. What's the essence of enjoying your sleep if you're not deep into it?
Good night. Bring food back. Because me, I dey carry food come for you when
there's
you
no
go
way
see.
I'm carrying
Hunger go
any
finish us for this
to-go
house.
box
If you think I go
on a
cook.
first date, silly.
Naibu.
Night. Thank you for taking me out to drink.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm very happy that you passed your appraisal. Because if you didn't pass, I'll have been feeling very, very guilty, knowing that I did a different meeting.
I mean, it wouldn't have been your fault.
I didn't think about that when I was praying heavily for you.
You prayed for me?
Yeah, I prayed for you to pass your appraisal.
Wow.
Oh, why are you shocked?
Nothing. I mean, you just didn't strike me as someone who fell in that category, so...
Are you kidding me? You see, I pray about everything. A long time ago, I learned that life without God is just, it's a huge risk.
Nice. I love me, a praying man.
I'm not sure that you love me. I mean, I'm irresistible.
That's not what I meant, and you know it.
It's okay. You're never caught on guard. I'm sorry.
I mean, not with your gender, no.
Oh, wait. You mean you're one of those ladies who would say that men are scum, men are this and that after a heartbreak?
It's easier to put it that way when you're not the one at the receiving end of the hammer.
I see. But are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So I watched a rom-com yesterday.
You did?
I did.
Oh my God, which one?
Loving Lines.
God, I love that movie. Oh, did you cry?
Me cry. How can I cry? Just celebrate the initiation to the courts first.
It's not a cult.
It is a cult.
Rom-coms are amazing. You know what? Next time, try watching Bright Skies. Bright Skies, amazing.
I can't promise you. Bright Skies.
Listen, the next time we see, if you don't love Bright Skies or if it didn't make you cry, I'm going to take you to my pastor for deliverance.
Oh, so there's a next time. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I love that. I would also suggest a sci-fi for you to watch.
Oh, no, please, no.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
please. Yeah.
no.
Oh,
Good
come
night.
on.
Have a good night.
Good night.
All right, good night.
Night.
Ada, have a good day today, okay? All right, fine. Oh, child, I'm late for work. Oh, dear. It's not my fault.
Careful.
Oh, sorry. Well, it's not my fault that people like to watch imaginary stuff.
Come on. Science fiction is not imaginary. It is future forward.
Indeed. Future
Okay,
forward.
just imagine I'm saying a rom-com is not rom-com.
What do you mean? It is.
Okay. Is that guy Abby? Is the one Abby?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course you don't. How would you love a girl?
Ew.
You Abby, but they don't they carry you, they trabaye, they don't they carry they go where you don't know.
Nobody is carrying me anywhere, that's all.
I hear you. Swear. Swear that you don't like this guy.
Am I supposed to hate him?
Don't change the subject. I know that you like this guy, and you know that you like this guy. I don't know why you cannot just give him a chance.
Ada, I like this guy just like I like any other guy that I don't hate. Can't I smile in peace in this house without you reading meanings to it?
Okay, okay, I've heard you. Admit that you like him so that your chest will not explode.
All right, now,
that's all I'm saying. See, you cannot run from your emotions. I only asked you to go on dates. I did not tell you to go and fall inside the lagoon of love. No be me send you.
Your jokes are drier than biscuits. Now, wow.
But they make you laugh, so. Would you like to come to my house on Saturday?
What?
It's okay if you're not comfortable with that. I just think that we're friends already, and you don't know where I stay, and I also don't know your place, so. That's okay.
You're right. But it's just that Saturday is busy.
Oh,
and...
no, you don't have to lie. It's okay.
Actually, thinking about it, Saturday is actually fine.
Fine?
Yeah. Wow, that was a good sign, I guess.
Very good sign.
That was a blessing. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, baby. What's happened? What's wrong?
Don't think this is weird, but
Yeah?
can you ask me to come to his house?
What
do you mean, I have not been to a guy's house in a very long time, and you know it.
Okay, then this is your chance too. There's no need getting emotional about it.
I'm not getting emotional. I'm just saying, I think I kind of like him.
You kind of like him. You don't kind of like him anything. You like him, and it's very obvious. Because it's always Kenneth this, Kenneth that. That's all we hear in this house. Nothing else. My darling, you've been beaten by a love bug.
Okay, pipe down, okay? It's just likeness. Listen, my immune system is very, very high, so no love bug.
Does your Bible not have that verse that says Satan is the father of all liars?
Whatever, please, what do I do?
Okay, babe, just invite him over. I want to meet him. Babe, calm down now. Just invite him over. Everything will be fine. See, I gotta go shake body.
You went to the club just 2 nights ago.
And at the same time, we did talk now. It's been a while. I gotta go shake body. I better cover your mouth. Bye.
Be safe.
Ifure, I know we did not start on a great foot, but I adore every second spent with you. Will you be my girlfriend? That sounds too juicy. Shit. Okay, what if I go this way? Let's do a rom-com. Will you be my girlfriend? Oh my God, I don't want to mess this up. How did I fall in love with this girl, this rude girl? Okay, I have it. Ifere. Kenny, you're gone. You're gone.
What's wrong? Did you do anything silly? What is going on? What's wrong?
He proposed.
Oh my goodness, he did. Where's the
No, relax, not to marry him. Calm down. Sheesh.
But you just said he proposed.
Yeah, to be his girlfriend, that's a form of proposal.
Can you just invite him already so that I can slap his head? Which kind of play be this now?
Why? He didn't do anything.
Of course he didn't do anything. You're the one who did something wrong. Besides, just they raise my BP, they raise my hope. Did you shall say yes? So like this, you don't need relationship. Hey, wow. Who would have thought? Make I shut up.
Hello? Hello?
Madam relationship, you don't... Hey! This girl. I just want to... I just want to soak now. What?
Why?
What is that you're wearing?
Clothes?
Goodness! A guy that you really like is coming over to see you, and then you put in zero effort?
I'm at home. Come on now.
You resemble Mbeke.
I don't want him to think
My
I'm
friend go and change jaw. How you go wear this kind of thing once in man? Now why you
But
know
you
they get
think
action?
I put on something cute
My
for
friend,
him. I want it to
shit.
be as effortless as possible.
See what thing you wear. No, they form my hand though. No, they form my hand. I dey try my best for you. Waiting happen. They know they fine and you fine. What's going on? You look amazing.
Thank you, sweetie. It's your dress.
So you feel resemble person? Sorry, I just did. You know they fine like this for me. Man, they come now, you fine. I won't
Really?
go piss before I embarrass myself. I'm coming.
Ada, hurry, he's here. I'm coming. Hi.
Hey.
How are you? Oh, flowers.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you like them, being the rom-com queen that you are. And I was taught not to visit anybody without a gift, so yeah.
I must have behaved really badly the last time I came visiting.
I mean, everybody knows you're badly behaved, but I don't care.
Oh, okay. Oh, Kenna, this is Ada, my sweet but annoying roommate. Ada, this is Kenna.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm all right. Hello, Kenny. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Same here.
All right, now enough with the awkward formalities. I'll place this here and what's them later. Can we just sit
Why
to
not?
eat?
Yeah,
All
let's
right.
go.
Ada made all the food, by the way.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Why are you all over the place? All right, just.
So, you really love my friend?
Yeah, I do.
You don't say. Like you really, really, really love her.
Ada?
What? I just want to know. Now these men be lying through their teeth.
It's fine. I don't know how it happened, but I love her so much.
Sounds like what a lying man would say.
All right, now that's it. Stop.
I'm sorry for making your boyfriend uncomfortable. I'll excuse myself.
Look, I'm really sorry about that. I don't know what's wrong with her today.
And it's fine, it's fine. Maybe she's just in her moment.
Right. I'll be right back, please.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Right back. What's going on?
It seems like a liar.
Excuse me?
I don't like the guy.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Babe, you've not been in the dating world for a while, okay? I just don't want you making any mistakes.
Ada. First of all, bring your voice down. Second of all, if you're jealous, just say it.
Oh, I'm jealous now.
Look, I have a guest to attend to. I don't know what this is all about, but you better behave yourself.
What is happening? Oh, God almighty.
So, thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming.
Ifere, I love you so much. I love you with every fiber of my being. I just really hope you remember that. No matter what's happened next.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. You see, life will throw stuff at us. But I want you to hold on tight.
Like this?
Exactly, like this. You're amazing. I don't feel like going.
Oh my God. That's the arrow.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too. Do you want to tell me what that was all about? What's with the attitude? I mean, let me get this straight. You asked me to go on a date with this guy, pushed me to the point where I had no choice whatsoever, and then you finally meet the guy and you frustrate him and make him uncomfortable? What's that about?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry I made your guest very uncomfortable. That was very rude of me. It's just work stress. It's a lot.
Since when do you let work stress get to you?
It be like that sometimes. Do you really love him?
Yes, ma'am. I really do. I've been running away from it, I'm not gonna lie, but like you said, I can't keep running from my emotions. So, yeah. I really do love him. Come here.
You can't continue your relationship with her.
I love her.
What do you know about love?
It's been 5 years. I'm allowed to change.
5 years of excruciating pain for me. 5 years of not being able to trust again. 5 years of horror.
If I could go back in time to make things right, I would. I know I've hurt you, but
No, you don't. You don't. Not at all. Not one bit. You proposed to me publicly and then you ghosted. Do you know the embarrassment? Do you know the pain that I felt?
I am terribly sorry.
You didn't know I was pregnant, did you? Of course you didn't. You ghosted me everywhere. Listen, Ifure is like a sister to me. More than family even. And I'm not going to let you hurt her. Listen, she doesn't know we have history. And I would like to keep it that way. But for the first time, I hope that you do what is right.
Where's her baby?
You don't deserve that information. So don't ask.
Damn.
Not going to work today?
Nah, I need to get some rest.
Perks of being an entrepreneur. Enjoy.
Nah, so the way you complain about this your corporate work, and one would think you really hate it. But leave the job, Kwano, no.
Actually, I
Mba.
do hate it. And I like it too.
I thought as much.
Anyways, I won't be coming home tonight. I'm going on a date night with the boo.
Can I?
No, Kachi. Who else? All right, let me go run to work before I become unemployed.
All right.
Bye.
How did you find my house?
All you had to do was end the damn relationship.
How the hell did you find my house?
It doesn't matter. What are you trying to achieve with all of this? Huh?
And then you need to understand that things have...
You know what? Maybe I should go ahead and tell her the type of man that you are. Only reason I haven't said a thing to her is because I don't want her devastated. But if you're not going to tell her, then I'm going to do everything I can to protect her.
I am trying. I'm finding a way to go about this.
Or maybe you're just being selfish as usual.
No, Ada. I love Ifure. I thought I was done with love, but when I found Ifure, everything changed. I know I messed up with you big time, and I'm sorry about that. I love Ifure so much. I don't want to hurt her. Not even you two.
What is done is done. Okay? All I ask is that you end this thing.
Is there a chance that jealousy is blinding your judgment?
Did you say jealousy? Listen, I only want my friend to dodge the bullet that you are. So you tell her this or I'm going to tell her. I give you 2 days. If you do not tell her, Kene, I am going to tell her myself. 2 days.
You're not going to do that, Ada.
Watch me.
You said you wanted to talk.
Yeah, I wanted to just see you and, remind you of how beautiful you are.
Okay. Thank you.
Ifure,
Yeah?
you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. And
What are you trying? What are you doing?
I've had this ring for a very long time, but I wasn't sure of the words to say to you.
What are you doing?
I wanted to make it very perfect and perfect for us. Ifure, will you please marry me?
Oh my god. Yes, oh my god, yes. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
I love you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, hi! I thought you went out. Come here, look. He proposed!
Congratulations. It's beautiful.
I'm sorry, what did you do to my friend? Hi, Ada, are you in there? Come out. What's wrong with you? I thought you were even going to ask me how he proposed or try to see the ring and know how much it costs.
Nothing. I don't want to ruin your ring. It's really beautiful. Oof.
Are you okay?
Yeah, my tummy has been a mess all day. I need to quickly use the restroom. Yeah. Oh.
Well, hurry up. Let me show you and tell you how he proposed. Okay. Yes, I'm coming. Babe, what are you doing here?
Can I at least come in?
She's not here.
I know. Please let me in.
I ask you again, what are you doing here?
You haven't answered my question. What are you doing here?
I'm tired. I'm tired of carrying this heavy weight around. I want to do the right thing now. And that's why I came here early to make things right first with you before Ifure comes.
You want to make things right with me? Impressive.
I know I was foolish. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to do. I can't imagine that I said that I didn't know if I loved you enough.
Then why did you propose to me if you were not sure?
Like I said, I'm sorry. I acted impulsively. I'm sorry.
You know what? You're still a coward. And you know what's worse? Nothing has changed. You're still the same spineless man that ran off 5 years ago.
I know you're angry.
Angry?
Yeah.
Kenneth, do you really want to see me angry? Do you?
Where is our child? I know I don't have a right to...
She died. She died a year after in her sleep. I tried to reach you. I tried to call you. But all I could do was walk. I walk and walk and I just kept walking. I walked and walked and I wished the road would never end.
I wish it would lead me to my sweet little baby, but she was gone. Gone forever.
You know what? I don't want anyone to ever go through what I went through.
I know, there's nothing I will say tonight that will make sense to you. I know. I want to make things right with you.
It's too late for that now.
Oh.
Is this why you wanted me to break up with him? So you could have him to yourself?
It's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Oh, tell me what I'm thinking. It's clearly what I see because my eyes aren't deceiving me, right? No, can't believe I've been so stupid. Don't you dare. You told me. You said, go out there, be free, be happy. But you know what you forgot to tell me? The level of happiness that you can contain. You two deserve each other.
I need to tell you something.
It's a little too late for that, Mr. Loverboy.
Ada is my ex. We're supposed to marry and I ghosted on her. I didn't know you guys were flatmates.
What does that even matter? What does that have to do with anything? You ghosted a lady who was supposed to marry you? Who are you? Wait, is this even real? Is this real? The proposal? Did you mean it? Is this another sham? Is it?
See, I swear I've never been more sure of anything else.
I think you should leave.
Please.
Please, go.
If we were...
What? 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 This is what you want to know?
Ifure.
Go away, please.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
You should have thought about that before lying to me.
Ifure, please, just open the door.
Ada, please just go.
Ifure. Ifure,
Ada, get out!
darling. How are you?
I wish I could say I was okay.
What's the matter? You don't look too great.
Joy, I messed up. I really, really messed up. Free is mad at me. She won't talk to me. She won't say anything to me. We've just been in the house. Nothing. I messed up.
So tell me, what exactly is the problem, please?
Okay, okay, so there's this guy I used to know in the past. Yeah? We were really in love with each other, so I thought. And we got engaged. And we were to be married, and he ghosted me. It was after that I found out I was pregnant. I tried reaching him. Still, he was nowhere to be found. So I had the baby. And then the baby died a year after. I still tried to reach out to him, and he wasn't answering me. He won't pick up my calls, nothing. And then recently he just popped up out of nowhere. He's the guy Ifere is currently dating. Recently, he came over to talk to me, to ask about his child, and I told him what happened. And then I got all emotional, and he tried comforting me. And then Ifere walked in on us in a very compromising situation. And now she thinks, I don't know what she thinks, but she won't even talk to me. She won't give me a chance to say anything.
Okay, so when you say compromising, were you guys kissing or something?
Oh no, Joy, nothing like that. Okay, I promise you, it was just comforting me. That was it. That was it. But she wouldn't even give me a chance to explain myself. She won't talk to me, nothing.
Come on. That's okay. That's okay, Adam. But I need to know where you stand on this. Do you still have feelings for this guy in question?
I'll be lying if I said I did. But a lot has happened. It's been a while. So many things that shouldn't have been said were said. We burnt a lot of bridges. And we're just not there anymore. And above everything, I just want my friend to be happy. She deserves it.
Are you being honest with me right now? I am. Okay. We'll sort this out, okay? All right, where is she?
She's upstairs.
I'll go speak to her, okay?
Go away, please.
If it's Joy. Hey. Hi. Sorry. Come on. Obasi. What's the matter? You look like you've just been hit by a train. Ha.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe she...
Oh, I know. I know everything, Ifere. Anga is tricky. It's so heavy and tricky that it blinds us to the emotions of others. I know you're hurting, but have you paused for a second to think about how your friend is feeling?
She betrayed me.
Not intentionally, Ifure. Have you thought about how she must have felt when she saw the both of you together? She had his baby, which she eventually lost afterwards. Ifure, she lost her child. Think about what she must have been through. Thinking about the whole trauma and everything all over again. Come on. I know she might not have handled this thing the proper way. But trust me, Ifere, when I see a sincere person, I know one. Yes, maybe, not maybe actually. It was all from an act of love. Ifere, you need to understand.
I don't know. I was just so angry. I was so confused. I didn't know what to think.
Have you spoken to him?
I don't intend to.
Ifere, people grow.
But he was once that person.
It's okay. But if you're no longer interested in the relationship, just let him know and just end this whole thing. There's no point trying to crucify someone for their past sins. We all deserve grace from time to time.
The crazy thing is I still love this man.
Then I would allow you to process your emotions. But trust me, your big sister is here for you anytime. Okay? Come on. You know what? There's one more thing we have to do.
Hey. I'm sorry.
Sorry too. It's not your fault. I should have told you.
I know why you didn't.
I wanted to tell you so, but I just didn't know where to start. You shouldn't have found out that way.
It's all in the past now. But I'm really sorry for all that you had to go through.
It's okay. I thought I lost my best friend. Thank you so much, Joy. Thank you.
Ladies first, I guess.
What makes it different this time? I mean, how do I know that your anxiety won't get the best part of you and you dip like you did the first time?
When I proposed to you, remember? I said I wasn't sure of my words, but of my feelings. I am sure I want to spend the rest of my life with you, no matter what it takes.
You want to start all over again?
Yes, we should start all over again.
No more secrets?
No more secrets.
But there'll be loads of rom-com though.
Oh, I'm not sure about that.